The 2012 Honda Accord Coupe V6 Concept. We have seen plenty of customized Camaros and Mustangs at the 2011 SEMA Auto Show, but it's high time to take a look at other cars displayed in Las Vegas. For example, Honda Factory Performance has brought a very cool Accord Coupe V6 Concept. The concept was built to demonstrate the performance potential of the Accord V6 Coupe, as well as to keep customers interested in the model. The bad news is that Honda has no current production plans for the concept. The Accord Coupe V6 HFP concept is built on a stock 3.5-liter V6 engine model painted in a very cool white exterior color. The only difference is that this model gets a supercharger, a performance air intake, and a new exhaust system. All of these updates will increase the engine output to an impressive 335 HP and 285 pound-feet of torque, up 64 HP and 34 pound-feet versus the stock car.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.